So hi guys. Oh my god, I almost forgot how to talk in front of camera. So yeah, hello. I just only know I did a video. Actually, I don't have plan to make a video today, but since I feel that I'm a little bit okay now because this last few weeks, if you notice, yeah, I am. What's this? The last video that I posted, long form video last, I think 3 months ago, but I always did live stream and shorts video, but this last 1 month I didn't post or I didn't make any live stream. I just only last February 14, I guess I post one shorts video. That's it, and then I didn't post again. Because as I said in my last live stream, my last company, which is Jasmine, was closed, and yeah, it's affected me. So not like I'm sad or what, but it's affecting my schedule. Like since now I currently living with my sister, so I don't have any room by my own, so I don't have any place that I can shoot a video. Anyway, sorry if anyone who just watching now. This is actually my update. So what's going on in my life? So because there's especially with Daddy Timothy and Michael that who is asking me how I am. So anyway, who's anyone that just new in my video, thank you for watching my live. So I'm just doing an update. So what's going on in my life now because last 1 month ago I stopped doing live stream, and so yeah, so right now I'm living with my sister, and I actually don't have place to shoot a video in there because uh, especially I actually don't have enough time right now. I mean, I'm doing two job. Actually, this is my first job, so I am part-timer here as a receptionist here in the Dome Paddle Club. So it's like a VIP paddle club here in Qatar. So it's really nice here in Qatar Foundation. And I have a regular job. So I will work later like 5 to 11 since it's Ramadan time. So the standard time for Ramadan time is only 6 hours. So that's why I can able to work at two job. So and it's really really tired because I do two job per day. So yeah, so it's really been hard for me this last few weeks. So but still um I'm trying to make a video, and this is my goal to always document my journey. But I feel sad that I become so inconsistent this last few weeks, maybe because I'm getting sick frequently and I am really tired. Like my mind is not working, especially when I don't have enough sleep. So thank you so much. This is the current situation. So yeah, I don't have my own room now. I'm just living with my sister, and actually it's not what's this? I don't have a permit to work with my sister, so I just living with my sister, like I'm just only hiding. So anyway, so yeah, so since today is Friday, and since Ramadan month, we don't have this. I mean, this dome has no bookings online, so we will have a client at 3 p.m. So that's why I can able to make a video right now, and I'm so happy. So yeah, I will show you guys. So this is the dome that exclusive with Adidas sponsorship. So yeah. So all the things here is sponsored by Adidas because they are partner. So no, we don't have any online bookings right now. It's really nice here. It's like, actually, I don't know. I really don't have idea about paddle dome. Actually, I mean paddle. Um, I thought it's same as tennis or ping pong, but it's quite uh, big difference. So yeah, I just learned new sports last February. Oh, it's still February. Still February. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, I think that's it for today. So I miss you guys. I miss all the live stream that I did last year and last January. So I hope I can come back again. I hope I can able to settle again, because right now my mind and my body is so confused. I I still don't have a permanent place for me. I still don't know what I'm gonna do. So and also and also because of the situation of my sister, we still we are hanging in the air, like we don't know where we'll go, left or right or straight. So right now I'm still in the unknown places, because still here I still don't know if I will continue here or I will continue in my regular job. So I still don't know. I still don't know everything. So yeah, thank you guys to for watching my video, and I hope I still be consistent on this journey and my YouTube journey. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you.